Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share some amazing and different types of felt craft ideas, especially for this holiday season. This holiday season we want to bring some amazing and creative art for everyone who wants to create something unique and different. So here is some stockings and some beautiful creative ideas of beautiful ornaments for this upcoming festival season, and this is by this season and beyond this. So here are very beautiful and cute stocking ideas. You can make it at home very easily, and you can make your own brand by making this type of creativity, and these creativity are very amazing and beautiful. So in this video I have shared some interesting and unique ideas of stocking, very beautiful handmade ornaments, beautiful crafting designs. Hope you enjoying these all ideas and designs. Make sure these ideas are very amazing and interesting, and you can take these ideas of Dollar Tree and you can make your own Dollar Tree, and you can put this on, place it on designs, place this type of designs on Dollar Tree shops, and you can buy it from Dollar Tree shops because there are very interesting and unique designs, some interesting ornaments. Here I'm going to show you that amazing and unique collection, that's creativity. Everybody loves that ideas, especially for this cozy happy festival season. Winter season is really a beautiful, and this is beyond the X-Max craft. So these crafting ideas are very amazing and unique, and very beautiful too. This type of creativity has given to your mind very peace and charm. ये आपको रिलैक्स करता है अगर आपकी हैंड एंड बॉडी कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड हैंड मूवमेंट्स को देखते हुए आपको आपके माइंड स्ट्रेस को स्लो डाउन करता है, हार्ट रेट आपका नॉर्मल करता है, और इट्स गोना अमेजिंग परफेक्ट ऑन योर बॉडी. So these creative collection are made from felt craft, fleece craft, add some embroidered pattern, embroidered touch, and add some buttons, add some cozy look, X-Max look. You can make house, you can make many things of like this, many types of ornaments, heart shape, star shape, brown shape, stocking types, many things. You make it at home very easily, and you can make your own brand. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. I would like to share some amazing interesting points on you, because first of all you can make it at home, second is that you can create your own brand, third is these creative collection are very amazing and unique. So share your thoughts about it, because I want to know what do you feel about this. These crafting ideas are impressive or not? Is it's helpful or not for you? So viewers, in this video we are sharing some amazing and unique craft like that. So these crafting and unique collection are very popular and easy to make. Kids love wants to do that, and if you create with your children and make some beautiful environment like crafting and many more like this, so you can enjoy it these type of designs. Hope you enjoying these ideas, hope you enjoying these collection. Here are very amazing and unique designs. So viewers, hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. So what do you feel about that? These creative journey are useful or very interesting for you? So in this video we have shared some beautiful and interesting design, very best and unique ideas. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. So hope you enjoying these collection. May your life, may your home fulfilled with love, happiness and creativity, positivity, prosperity. Whatever you want to have in your life. Thank you for sharing us. Thank you for sharing this type of collection, this type of creativity. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. God bless you all. We will try to bring that amazing